Okay, here's a tutorial that you are looking for how to manipulate the built-in command of Microsoft Word. I couldn't see any tutorial out in the internet or in YouTube, but I try to do my best to explain it well. So to show the list of command of Microsoft Word, you have to press Alt F8. So Alt F8 and let's make it big. So press it, Alt F8, and you can see all the commands. You can manipulate its processes. So let's view the developer tab here. It's already been shown. So if it is not showing or not visible, you can go to customize ribbon and then check or uncheck the menu that you want to show. And that's it, the developer tab. So when you open or when you're using it, just click this and then you want to remove other commands here. So under the normal uh, tree or a tree list, so under it there is a this document. You have to right click then view code. So what command that I want to manipulate? I'm choosing the bold command. So it is very useful every day with a lot of users, all the users in the world. So okay, sub bold. So if you know how to program, you have to add sub bold, and then there is an add sub. That is a routine. Call it subroutine. So we it is being named as sub, and we I want to show a message box. Hi world. So when you go back to the word and you want to make this the font bold, it show with the message box and the original functionality is gone. Oh, don't be surprised and don't be scared because it can be reversed or it can be restored. How? You can remove this again or you can rename the function name or the procedure name. For example, you want to manipulate the selected text. For example, I want to use the italic. So selection, the command is selection, that font. For example, that size, you want to make it bigger, like 50. And you go back, then you go to press italic and increase the size. So I think that's it. Anything you want to like to do, for example, selection that text is equal to Jonathan. For example, Peter Parker. For example, I want to spider or write spider here and control. And you want to make it italic, it would become Peter Parker. So you want to like make fun with your friends, and it is a really good tricks, and it is very educational. And sometimes viruses they are manipulating all the commands, so be aware of that. So I'm just sharing uh, that this is can be done, and Microsoft company is letting it to be edited, to be modified. because sometimes pickup is using macros to create an application, which is really a cheap um, choice to create an application, and the license is not quite uh, expensive. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Oh, before I forgot, this is another tip. So, sub auto exec. If you want to execute a command on startup, for example, message box, this is a virus, then application that it would with the Microsoft Word when upon opening, upon closing the message box. Close it, close the word, like that, already saved. And then open the word, and then it would show the message box on the startup. This is a virus, and it would show there's a problem. So I think there's a problem with my. I have a problem here. Application should be like this. Missing of one letter. So let's close it again, and then the word, and open it again. The word, it should show a message box, and after that word would be closed. Okay, that's it. So how will I restore that? I can open it. So what we can do is like press shift command and then click. That's it. So bypass the macro virus or a macro command that being executed on startup. So go to under normal list items, or three life list items. You can uh, go to this document and then view code, remove all of them, and it would restore the original functionality of Microsoft Word. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe so that everybody would be happy. Thank you so much. Thank